4 words, 60 seconds, and your vocabulary leveled up. Let's go! Knuckle, the joint of your finger where it bends. You crack it, you punch with it. Example, he scraped his knuckles while boxing. Labial, any sound made using the lips, like P, B, and M sounds. Example, mama starts with 2 labial sounds. Kosher, food prepared according to Jewish dietary laws. Example, this restaurant serves only kosher meat. Kolam, a traditional South Indian floor art made with rice flour. Example, every morning she draws a new kolam at her doorstep. She bent her knuckle to draw a kolam, whispered a labial prayer, and made sure dinner was kosher. Perfect harmony of culture, sound, and tradition. Like, share, and follow for more brain-boosting word sprints.